So I had some of you guys ask me why I bought these Riot calls. And some of you even said that Riot is on a downtrend. I mean, just today it's down 5%. But what do you mean downtrend? 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 Like it's been going up. There is no downtrend. I mean, I haven't. This is me just looking at naked charts. I haven't even looked at TradingView. But the fact that Bitcoin broke 19,000, do you guys really think Riot is, Riot's supposed to be here? Riot's supposed to be at least at 740. Bitcoin just broke 19,000 and it went over. Why would Riot stay here? This is people just taking profits right now. There's no reason for Riot to go any lower. Riot's gonna jump all the way back here and possibly past it, especially if Bitcoin hits 20K within the next week or two. Like there's no reason for Riot to fall. No reason. If Riot does fall down here to like maybe the $6 level, I'm just gonna be buying more calls. There's no reason for Riot to fall. Like there's absolutely nothing that supports Riot going down any further, especially with Bitcoin and all the other cryptos that are gonna stay mooning and stuff.